Hey everyone, it's Norm here from IMCARS, and today we're doing something very different than our normal content. We're going to give you guys a tour of my condo, and we're going to do that for a couple reasons. The first of which, I wanted to give you guys just a little bit more of like an insight into to behind the scenes on the channel, on myself, that sort of thing. Just give you guys a little bit of a better opportunity to connect with who I am, what I do outside of our videos. And the second reason why I wanted to do this, you'll find out at the end of the video. So make sure you stick around for that, and make sure you slow down going through this speed on green. It's a 50 zone, so we're heading into beautiful downtown Calgary. Lots of size skyscrapers, lots of cool buildings, and in just a minute you'll see where I live. All right, so we're gonna start the tour right here in the parkade, where this is my parking stall. And the unique thing about this particular stall is it's actually a double wide. If you look at it, I've got my car parked angled, and it's twice as wide as a normal stall next to me. So this was an important thing when I bought this unit, because it was advertised, I'd say badly, it was advertised as a singular parking stall, which it is, but there is a double wide factor to it. So when it came time to sell or list this, you really got the value of two parking stalls, ability to park two cars, as you can see, and although you only pay for one. So, all right, welcome to the elevator, and we are 24 floors high. We're not quite, we gotta work way up to the next level of the elevator road next time. What's up? Welcome MTV Cribs to my crib. So this is, welcome to my condo. As I said, this is going to give you guys a very quick tour. This is the entrance here. Got a bathroom over there. This here is second bedroom / it's got all built-ins for an office, so I utilize this as an office. It is almost never used as a bedroom, but it does very quickly turn into a second bedroom if I need one. So easy, super convenient. It's all a built-in Murphy bed, which just folds up just like that. Super handy at that. Got a little bit of storage, laundry, and this is the area where I spend most of my time. This is a living room, kitchen, and of course we've got a balcony with a really nice view of downtown Calgary, which for me, that was definitely one of the big selling features, was that view. You got the mountains over there to the west, all the skyscrapers, all the buildings, super nice view. I absolutely love it. Kitchen, pretty standard. It did have, the lady that built this did all the upgrade packages, so it's got all the dark theme and I guess granite counters and whatnot throughout. So that's that. And this is living room, TV, couch, and of course we've got the south view, which has all the view of the Stampede grounds, the new BMO Center, and all of that. So nice view to the south. And this here is my room. It's master. We've got all the windows, all the blinds that open up. Same south view, so you've got all the cool view of Stampede fireworks, all that. TV, master closet, master bathroom, pretty standard, and yeah, nothing too out of the ordinary, but here it is. All right, so now that I've given you guys a condo tour and you have learned the first reason why I did this, I'm gonna give you guys the second reason why I did this little condo tour, and that is this place is sold. I didn't have a sold sign with me, so I made one just now. So I did this for kind of two reasons. Like I mentioned, I wanted to do this video for you guys, as well as I wanted to do it for myself personally. for a couple reasons. I wanted to have a little bit of just a memory in case I ever wanted to look back on this place, and now I've got it on video, it's out there. And the second reason is my plans after this, which I'm gonna get into with my next video, and that's gonna talk a little bit about something totally off topic to our channel, and that is the real estate market, my plans going forward, what I'm gonna be doing for a place, and how I'm gonna utilize the income from this place going forward. So it's gonna be a totally different video than normal, but I wanted to do it for a little bit for myself and a little bit for you guys. So that is it. This place is sold. Moving out in, well, actually when you guys see this video, this is going live on December 6th, so that is the day I'm moving out. And a quick cut. So rookie mistake on my end. I actually had a mic on and plugged in, but didn't turn it on. So the audio was probably a little rough at the beginning, but we're mic'd up now. So I just wanted to interject and say that the reason I wanted to do a video like this for you guys was I feel like a lot of you are probably either maybe first-time home buyers, or you're looking to buy your first property, or you're looking to buy a second property. You're probably in my general age range, and I thought doing a video like this, and the next video especially, you'll find informative because it'll give you a breakdown of what the actual cost of owning a place like this is in terms of stuff like property taxes, condo fees, interest expense on a mortgage, as well as how much principal actually ended up going to this place over 5 years. And I wanted to do that relative to a couple things, relative to renting, if you've done that over the past 5 years, or relative to taking that money and investing it in a totally different route as opposed to buying a home. So that's why I wanted to do this video, and especially the next video coming out in a couple days. For you guys especially, because I feel like I said, a lot of you are probably first-time home buyers or looking to buy your first home. So that's that. And like I said, it's kind of, this video especially was more so just a memory for myself to have a little walkthrough video of my place before I move out. And so with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for a video in a couple other days breaking down the financial costs of living here.